Trust and Will for Attorneys now includes a built-in referral platform. Real clients, real cases, matched directly to you. When a Trust and Will member needs an attorney, you'll receive the referral right in the platform, with the case details, client information, and everything you need to decide if it's the right fit. Every referral moves through a clear status, from match to completion, so nothing falls through the cracks. Once you're working with a client, upload your documents and the platform will process them instantly. Organized, accessible, and ready to go. Everything in one place. And with AI-generated client summaries, you walk into every conversation already up to speed. Life changes fast, but the platform keeps you notified, so you're always ready to show up. Trust and Will for Attorneys, qualified referrals, a cleaner workflow, and free to join.
Trust and Will.